Hey everyone, welcome to Shop Talk. We're looking at a Husqvarna 372. Customer complained it had some erratic running. I want to show you a common place where you can get a vacuum leak on this particular chainsaw. I did not pressure vac test it because I was pretty familiar with the saw and I knew where to zero in on it, and I'll show you what's going on with it. Doesn't sound too bad right now, but you'll get some erratic running, and let me show you what it is. Connector boot has a split in it, and you can see when it just opens up or gets a vibration, you get some erratic running. We'll fix that and have him go in here shortly.